Tired of fumbling with account numbers and sort codes every time you need to send or receive money? Let's simplify your life by learning how to use Wise QR codes for super easy money transfers. First, open your Wise app and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap the Receive button, usually found on the home screen or within your account dashboard. Choose the currency you want to receive money in. This is important to ensure the sender sends the correct currency. Great! Now you'll see your Wise QR code displayed on the screen, along with your account details. This QR code is unique to you and linked to the selected currency. The person sending you money simply needs to scan this QR code using their phone's camera or a QR code scanner app. Many banking apps and payment apps have built-in QR code scanners. When they scan the code, all your payment details, like your account name and currency, will automatically populate in their payment tab. This eliminates the need to manually enter any information, reducing errors and saving time. Once they confirm the payment, the money will be transferred to your Wise account in the chosen currency. You'll receive a notification once the transfer is complete. That's it. Using Wise QR codes is a fast, secure, and easy way to receive payments. Start using them today and streamline your money transfers.